Review of ah, and o sounds. These sounds are frequently confused. Non-native speakers sometimes do not clearly distinguish the difference between cup and cop and cap and cope. The sound. Remember, the sound as in fun or cup is a neutral vowel, meaning that everything in your mouth is relaxed and the lips are just very slightly open. The and the aw sounds. In contrast to the and the aw sounds, as in father and saw, require the mouth to be open. And aw are very similar sounds, except for the aw, the lips are a little bit more oval in shape and the tongue is slightly tense. However, in many parts of the United States, the and aw are pronounced the same. For example, many Americans pronounce hot and tall with the same vowel sound. The o sound. For the o sound, as in boat, the lips are rounded and tense. Warning: dangerous mistakes. Confusing aw, and o can cause embarrassment or can be offensive. Do you mean Doug or dog? Also, mispronouncing words like coke, focus, fork, and folk can cause you to say an inappropriate or offensive word. Vowel contrasts dialogue for aw, and o. Coffee tomorrow.
Hi, Nicole. Can you talk?
Oh, hi, John. Can you hold on? I'm on another call. I'm talking to my boss.
No problem. I'll wait till you're done.
Okay, now I can talk. I'm sorry it took so long. What's going on?
Nothing much. I just wanted to know if we can meet for lunch or coffee tomorrow.
Oh, that sounds like fun. I've been working non-stop and I'd love to get out of the office.
The problematic o. Words spelled with the letter O can cause many frustrations for students of the American accent. You have already learned that the pronunciation of a vowel doesn't necessarily correspond to the spelling of the vowel. This is especially true of the letter O. The letters O in the words job, love, and only are all pronounced differently. Here is a quote by Helen Keller, which contains 14 different words spelled with the letter O and has all 3 different vowel pronunciations. You will hear the quote twice. First, just listen. The second time you hear it, you will have a chance to repeat. When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has opened for us. When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has opened for us. First, let's look at the most problematic sound with an O spelling. It's the neutral sound as in love, other, and Monday, which non-native speakers frequently mispronounce as lav, other, and Monday. The wrong pronunciation occurs because the sound doesn't exist in some languages, and also because learners are used to this sound usually being spelled with the letter U, as in up, fun, and Sunday. You will improve your American accent if you simply memorize some very common words with the sound that are spelled with an O, OU, or even sometimes a double O. Memorizing the exceptions. Words spelled with O, but pronounced as above, another, brother, color, cover, come, does, done, dove, from, gonna, love, Monday, money, month, mother, none, nothing, of, once, one, other, oven, some, something, somewhere, sun, ton, tongue, one, wonderful. Words spelled with an OU and pronounced as double, country, couple, tough, Douglas, cousin, enough, touch, rough, southern. Words spelled with a double O and pronounced as blood, flood.
Words spelled with the letter A, pronounced with the sound. What? Was.
Dialogues for practice. Pay attention to the words that have the sound. As we noted before, most of the time the sound is spelled with the letter U, as in lunch. But some common words with this sound are also spelled with the letter O, such as love and sun.
Let's go out for lunch.
I would love to, but I don't have enough money.
I have some money.
Oh, thanks so much. I'll pay you back next month.
Don't worry about it. Lunch doesn't cost so much.
What a lovely rug. How much is it?
$200.
Do you have another color?
I'm sorry, it doesn't come in other colors.
What country is she from?
She comes from Russia.
I wonder if her husband, Doug, speaks Russian too.
No, he doesn't. He's from London. He just speaks English.
I was in Russia once, and I loved it.
What are you doing on Sunday?
Nothing much. I'm just going for a run.
I'm having brunch with my mother. Would you like to come with us?
That sounds wonderful.
How's your younger brother?
Great. He's visiting us with his son.
Are they staying for the whole summer?
No, just until next Monday. Sentence pairs for and ah. The following pairs of sentences are the same, except the first one has a word with an ah sound, and the second one has a word with an sound.
You have a good luck.
You have good luck.
Where's that cop?
Where's that cup?
I shot it.
I shut it.
He's a big boss.
It's a big bus.
This is Don.
This is done.